Good morning. We are in the
morning.
car. We're filming now because we're going to Southwold. If you can see out the window a little bit, it is rainy. We've got a beach up for my mum's birthday and we're still going to go. We've got games if necessary. There's always the pier. But first, you know us, we've made a little pit stop for some brekkie. So, what did you get for breakfast?
I got a sausage and egg McMuffin and a cheesy bacon flatbread and a hash brown, and then I have orange juice.
I got the juice as well, but I can't bother to pick it up. I've got double sausage and egg McMuffin with no cheese, and I've got an extra hash brown.
Just a nice way to start the day.
I mean, as far as rainy days go, it's not the worst. And it looks like it'll clear up around 3. It's currently not 3. 6 minutes to 10.
Wow. This is one of my favourite McDonald's items, the cheesy bacon flatbread. Really
Yeah.
good.
If you want to get Adam to talk about anything, cheesy bacon flatbread. That or his drone, which he's hoping it'll dry up enough for him to use it today.
Yeah. Hoping for some good footage.
So my mum's birthday was in the week. And we spent the day together. It was just like Adam was at work, so it was just a little get together. So this is more like her big birthday celebration. So I've made cupcakes. I gave her like a milk tray for her birthday, but I've saved all her actual presents that I've got her for today. So you'll get to see that. I'm really hoping to win big in the arcade, i.e. keychain. Or an anklet. I got an anklet last year. It didn't fit, but
That's winning big.
winning
An
big.
anklet or a keychain.
I don't think you need to listen to us ramble, so we're gonna finish up our food and get on the road. It's still raining, but we've made it to the beach hut.
Yay.
There's the birthday girl. Oh, we're in the same beach hut, the Summer Lee. Oh, there's Becca and was it Woofy Boy? Wolfie. Daniel. And then Mum. You can see us in the mirror. Hey. Party.
Dad's probably washed away.
No, he's coming. There he is. Someone couldn't wait to get on the beach. See what he got. What'd you get?
Hagstone.
Found a hagstone.
Oh,
Nice.
we're gonna have to move.
Very nice. Now let's get out of the rain. That's my seat. Go away.
For you.
Ooh, unbox lunch.
Yeah.
Wow.
Labelled sandwiches.
Sandwiches.
Sandwiches. Oh, it smells good. Daniel.
Ooh, tomatoes.
Adam.
Thank you.
Mine. Yes. Me. Megan. Becca.
Oh, you got a chunky one.
Yeah. Dad.
Were you talking to Daniel?
Oh,
Oh yeah.
tomatoes.
And you got your blanket.
My blanket. Oh,
Little flare. You want one?
blanket. Oh, where's my sandwich? I'm not going to eat it yet.
Oh, Daniel.
He's got his chicken sandwich. What have you got? Marto.
Marto.
Gross. You like martos. Thanks for filming this.
Pleasure.
There's crisps and Pringles and stuff in those bags if you want some, Daniel.
So what are we doing now?
Presents. Oh.
It's not a big enough blade on it.
What's that?
Yeah, he's too
What?
blue hardy.
Oh, with windmills. I love windmills. Thank you. We can have them in our drinks
I thought that.
today.
I thought that would be
Oh,
fun.
that's so cute. We'll put them on the side. They're lovely. Don't take them on my head. Oh, thank you. Stuck it.
I got to take a picture.
Oh. Picture of chin.
Make sure I look chin. Is what you said in the end.
No, I didn't mean that.
Make sure I look chin.
What's that? It's a single.
I'm not telling you, but I'll open it and find out. Yeah.
Oh, I love Papa Don't Preach. Oh.
You got a record player?
No.
She collects them
I
though.
collect them though. I collect them if they're picture ones. Oh, that was such a good video.
I ignored that you said you don't need any more.
Oh, look at this.
No, y'all can eat as much as you want. I mean, get
I know, you were like, I don't have any more room. I thought, you'll make room for that. Even if it's not in the bathroom.
Oh, that's
No, it's so cute.
absolutely
And all the little
gorgeous.
hooks.
I know, you could hang candles on and things.
Wouldn't have been my first go-to, but yeah.
Oh, thank you.
I will say the stocking is mine. Not keeping the stocking.
Oh, that's
It got
cute.
bent.
That's alright, looks like it should be. That's really cute.
I like the seagulls.
I love that. Thank you. Oh, Lord.
You've got a little pocket one.
Oh, little pocket watch.
I'm just reading a sign that I can see from that, so it says, I don't skinny dip, I chunky dunk.
Well, yeah. Oh. Have I seen him?
No.
Why do I think, oh my god.
Cute, isn't he?
Oh, his face. Yes. Oh,
Thought you'd like him. He's a scrunchy.
I love him. Oh, you can't beat Russ there.
I know. Every time
Yeah.
I'm drawn to one,
Yeah,
it's a Russ.
It's Russ. There you go.
That's my stocking. I mean, you can have it if you want.
No, you're fine.
My birthday stocking. I made it.
Did you?
Can you not tell by the perfect circles? I hot glued it.
I was about to say, I can't imagine you spending that time hand stitching.
No, it's hot glued. I bought the fabric.
Good though.
Yeah, I usually put Adam's presents in it every year, and then I decided I might extend it to everyone else now.
That's a cute idea, darling.
Adam never does it for me on my birthday, though. Gimbling.
I like the way the little windmill was actually just
was it?
blowing in the wind there.
Now we're going under the pier. The only ones to brave the rain, aren't we? Woo! Wind. It's usually really windy under the pier, isn't it? Nice. Now you're looking for stones and shells. It's a little bit windy. Look at the end of the pier. See it all the way down there. Whee! And that's everyone in. Where'd the crab go? Little crab! Little baby! Oh, how cute!
I want to take you home.
Where is it?
Come out.
Oh, how look at him!
He's the littlest guy.
It's not a lid to a cup, it's a jellyfish. It's got cups on the brain. I'm finding shit. You take the lid
Da, 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 da.
My cupcakes.
They smell nice.
They smell like cake.
Smell like cookies.
I like a nice cupcake, me.
You love a cupcake?
What else?
This.
No,
this
that's
one.
yeah. I was about to say, don't take the one I was going to take.
I was that you
I was
looking
going
at
to take
that
the one next to it. Oh, I can't do it.
Right,
Can't
you
do
know,
it when I
Adam.
live there, go for it.
I'm surprised it is.
Cupcake?
I'm good.
Cupcake?
Look at my cupcake.
What is that cupcake?
Got a cupcake.
What's that cupcake?
Oh, that's
You know what-
lovely.
Is it lovely?
Lovely.
Is it lovely? Adam, is your cupcake lovely?
Bloody lovely.
That's bloody lovely, that.
Oh, come on, pay up.
Well,
So, we've come down onto Southwold Pier
Yeah.
and you found this pressed penny machine.
On the Southwold Pier. I don't think the other ones say about it being Southwold. They might. I can't fully read it, so let's try
Oh well,
it.
give it a go.
Oh, do I have to put this first?
Probably.
Back.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine.
Oh. It says it's customary to kneel, but I'm not going to kneel. I defaced a coin of the realm on Southwold Pier. I did, and I play music. That's fun.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Letters? Oh, wait a second. So, we're in the little arcade on Southwold Pier now.
Do I have a 50p on there?
Frankenstein.
Crazy. I don't know if I have. I know I do.
You do.
Jesus.
Not like
scary.
Yeah. Would you say tall?
Select the
Tall.
correct eye level using the buttons on the left and then press start. Now, just relax. That was rather ordinary.
Thank you.
Let's try to capture something more spiritual. Now for that completely carefree swept
no.
away.
That felt nice.
Finally, a picture to eliminate any habitual expressions you might put on
no, this is the
when
drop.
having a photo taken.
Oh God. Okay. Oh, so we got the one where it's the people in front of us? That's cool. Lovely.
Having fun.
Yeah, look at the seagull. Some really random animals.
Yeah.
Yeah, like little camels. It should do.
Then we can get like.
Oh, there's our beach hut. It's the second one in. Oh, look at the seagulls. Let me zoom. How cute. Oh, I should get under the...
I will stop blabbering on.
Yeah. He's talking about his drone that he wants to
Yeah.
fly if it gets better.
It's too rainy.
Too rainy.
Too rainy.
Don't look too bad for it being rainy.
it's-
Ooh, wave again.
Wave again.
They're all in there. They were waving, but I didn't press back. There's Becca taking a photo. I think of us. I think it is of us.
Nah, it's just a.
Nice mural.
Well, actually, we might
I like the letters because the letters move like they do on the.
move.
Yes, they're moving.
Clever, because it has.
Fish.
Is it multiple motors or is it just one?
Right, look. Where is it? Keep going. Put the umbrella back.
The umbrella was not happy.
Well, neither were you because you don't like getting wet.
Pringles? You have Pringles?
Try being a duck.
I being a duck. Okay. I'll entertain you.
No, not that way. No.
Very well coordinated.
Duck it up. Oh, Mum's gonna do it. Whee.
Then do it first.
No, not that way.
No, well, I don't know if it could.
No, not that way. Not that way.
Not that one. Oh, I broke mine.
Yeah, kinda. Where's your pinwheels, girls? Wait, look at it go! Look at it! Oh, it stopped. Oh, look at my... I broke mine. I played with it too much. Go pinwheel, go pinwheel. Go, go, go pinwheel. Oh, covered Becca up. Right, bye family. Bye. Bye. Ooh, seagull. Let's go to the toilet. Adam, take the camera. Film it.
Evidence for when it all goes wrong.
You better not.
You did it! Yay!
Is that a pound's worth of coins?
Pounds worth of coins. Let's go.
Oh, nice. And you got a badge.
Got a badge.
What did you get? Nice.
I'm going to try some on the other end now.
Nice.
Ooh, you got a coin.
Just the one.
The one on the Tom and Jerry. You got tickets already.
Yeah.
Watch it go. Here's a little starfish going back to his home. I didn't wear my water shoes, I just got my sandals on.
Cool, aren't they?
Yeah. Don't worry, little
I know
starfish.
you've never seen one live.
I've only seen one that's been eaten by a seagull. I should have worn my actual beach shoes, not my Crocs. I only wear my sandals. They're only Crocs. Oh, the water's cold! Right, I'm going to put him on this bit. Oh, bye, sea starfish. Oh, look, there's Adam's drone. Look at Adam's drone, Dad. Adam's drone's flying.
It goes up really high.
Oh, you can go a lot higher.
Oh, really?
Birdies! Oh, how cute! I can see those now. Foam is gross.
Yeah.
Look at these. Limpets.
Just some small limpets.
Look at that. Look how that's quartz.
Quartz. Very nice.
Oh, look, a jellyfish.
Oh yeah. Right, so hopefully you can hear me. We are on the beach. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. So this is Southwold. We have the lighthouse. We have some beach huts. Not our beach hut. The lifeguard station. The pier is just behind us.
Oh, look, there's a sailboat.
Where is the sailboat? Let's have a look at the sailboat. Oh yeah, there's a sailboat. Very nice. And a what? Yeah, we think it's the lifeboat over there. It was a red, like, dinghy boat. So back to the small... Oh, look, the lighthouse turned on. Yeah, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Wait for it. Whee! Light! The lighthouse is on. And then down there, right in the distance, you can't really see it, is the power station at Southwold. Nice lot of beach here. We're enjoying ourselves.
I'm trying to find cool stones or sea glass. I found some sea glass.
Cool stones or sea glass, hey? Seagull prints, yeah, that's cool. Look at them, they're really neat. We went to the arcades just before as well. That was good fun. The arcades are just over
346
there.
tickets.
So far, yeah, the arcades are there.
I might win a gooey alien.
A gooey alien, ooh.
You know, one of those 90s ones.
Well, that's if we don't get any more tickets.
If we get more tickets, we'll get a better prize. But that is currently what we could have got.
Yeah.
Let's get your feet wet. No, they're going to get wet again. I will say I'm dishevelled because I got rained on, so it's very rainy here.
I stayed dry.
No, only me and my dad went out, and my hair is wet-ish, but look at that fuzz.
I waited until it was nice and dry.
I just couldn't wait. We're back from the arcades, and you have your winnings, don't you? What they are. What's the other side? Pokemon Go ones. Ooh. See what you get. Oh, that was manic, weren't it?
Interesting colour. It's green.
It's the shiny version.
Oh, it's the shiny version. That's cute.
Shiny Haunter. Oh, hang on.
Sick as hell.
Right, if you let me focus on them both.
The mischievous. You've got Pokemon cards in there as well. Hell yeah.
Oh, how
The mischievous is
cute!
sick.
Now this is what I've got. So we got the fake.
I have to give that.
Oh.
You got the different colour.
You've got
I got a
different
purple
colour
one of that
mischievous.
one.
You've got-
And then we also, do you want to show what we also got, Adam? Because we got a little bit extra. Look at him. Just a little green ducky. And we're on the beach.
We are.
And we're currently going to investigate a black blob that has washed up.
And I would like to know what it is. Currently the seagulls find it fascinating.
Yeah, if we turn you
and
around,
so do I.
you'll be able to see the seagulls. Right.
Also, how sick does this beach look right now? It's so smooth.
Yeah. Oh, they're pecking at it. What is it?
What is that?
What you got there?
What you got there? Human.
Oh, nothing.
Nothing, just a human head. Right.
I'm ready to.
Oh, look at all the little seagull footprints. What is it? Have we come all this way? Are you lying, seagulls? It's just seaweed. A crab? A rock. Seaweed and a rock. It's turned into a pretty evening. Oh, lovely. Look at the waves. Cowabunga, dude. I'm going to try and get as close to these birdies as they will let me. That's rude. Hey, burbs. No, burbs. Oh, look at the tiny ones. What are they? There's only 4 of us left. Mum and Dad have gone home. There's another one of those ookie gookie things. Where is it? There it is. Ookie gookie. Oh, I'm not even filming it. I'm like, why can't I see it? Look at that. My feet are disgusting. Oh, are you drawing a Mickey? Oh, she's drawing Bailey. Yeah. With my feet in the background. Very nice. Where's her nose?
She doesn't have one.
Oh, is that? Oh, yay! Art and artist. Way. And then a very supportive boyfriend taking photos. Beach. Is the water cold? Yes. Very cold. Only a little bit. Once you get used to it, it's fine. And then they're back there admiring her artwork. So, again, not sure how much longer we'll spend at the beach, but it's been a nice day. We highly recommend hiring one of these beach huts. Oh, look at that shot with the sunset. Stunning. Second one in from the end is the one that we've hired. It's called the Summer Lee, I think. And it's right next to the pier. I'm hoping no jellyfish get on me. Ugh, what is that? Seagulls have been here and devoured something. Rather, So, I'm going to walk back to the beach hut. And I'll film whatever the rest of the day is before we sign off. Ooh, a jellyfish. You can see the jellyfish. Jellyfish. See? There. Very pretty. I think she's still drawing over there, but I can't be bothered to walk back and see. Ooh, a tile. Tile. Let's go back to Adam. Well, the kids are still playing. Hi, Adam. Having fun? Yeah. Eating sausage rolls. And there's Adam in the beach hut. And I'm tired.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
Here's me in the mirror. Nope, wrong way, gimbal. I got a tile. There's a rainbow over there. You can kind of see it over the pier. Becca just messaged me from down there to say rainbow because it's raining and it's nice out. So I won't be out for long because it's wet. But rainbow, Adam. Rainbow. Right, now I'm stepping back in here. Right, I'll give you a little tour of this beach hut. It's decimated. So it's like this entrancey bit where Adam sat. And then basically we bought all of our junk. Some of the things like the table and these chairs are theirs. And like all of our bags and stuff is like 6 people's worth of stuff. Mum and Dad did leave some things. That's the beach hut. We've had a nice time here, haven't we? They've dug up a fishing line. I'm filming. Becca's on the phone to me. Look at her with her fishing line. She's gonna bring it back, or is she just dancing with it? The rainbow goes into the sea behind you guys. There's a rainbow behind us. Rainbow. And Becca and Daniel. Rainbow? A little seagull bobbing along. And this is the other side of the rainbow. We've come to see the lighthouse because the lighthouse is actually on. I'm on my phone now, so the footage might not be great, but you can kind of see the lighthouse going round. Right. This is Megan Cam. I have a headache, so a cold patch is necessary. But it doesn't mean I can't get cool shots like this. Right.
We done.
We've locked up, haven't we? They're double checking for all their bits and bobs.
I have anxiety.
But we're going. We're done. Beach day done. Pepsi in hand. There's dumpsters over there. Daniel.
They look just like you.
There's dumpsters over there.
Yeah, I'm going to big sign saying do not use.
Well, I don't read. Never mind. Beach day done. Daniel is here still. Where is he?
Hello.
Bye.
Bye everybody. Apart from Adam, I live with you, so we're going home.
So long.
Farewell.
To you.
Well, you'll be not seeing them anymore, but you'll be seeing me eating my dinner. Right. So it's been like easily an hour since I last filmed something, but we've got McDonald's for dinner.
Because
So,
it's nearly 10 o'clock.
McNuggets for me. Big Mac for you.
I do like myself a little Big Mac.
We had a good day though, didn't we, at the beach?
It was a really nice day.
Yeah, I
Ah.
enjoyed it. Started to get very dark very quick, so we wouldn't have been able to stay past 8, which is when we left. So now we're just going to chill, eat our food. You don't need to watch all of that, it's mostly dark now anyway. Like, subscribe, comment, all that jazz. Only if it's nice though, I don't want nasty comments. Anyway, bye.
Bye.